looks beautiful.
What looks beautiful?
The tree, babe.
Oh, you mean without the light?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And I need to find the light. Okay. So you're gonna take it off and just show them. It looks like. Ooh, look at that.
I don't know if you guys are seeing it because we still have the light on. Maybe you should actually turn it. Hit the switch. So we're gonna hit the switch so we see what it actually looks like. Yeah. So it could do well with more lights. Not sure why it's limited, but yeah. It's
Take it off.
giving an ambience because there goes the fireplace. Ooh. It looks good, right? Just simply nice. So let me give you guys a closer view. It's not too bad. And there it goes in the light. So yeah, take you slowly. Baby's doing a whole lot over there. I'm trying to give you guys the details. Babe, hit the light, please. I'm trying to give them the details first with the light on. Like these are my fave.
Remember to hit.
Gonna put it back here. Awesome. So yeah, we're done. We're gonna be putting gifts right here and stuff. So that's it. That's it for the.
This light.
Cause I turned it off.
Show them.
So we're gonna be creating a whole ambience over here with a fireplace. Keep it real simple. Of course it does not, babe. Guys, baby's doing a whole lot of showing you guys like the room with the light going off and all of that. That's what he's doing right now. But I was not trying to do that. But if you all know that he does the most.
Yeah, look at it, babe. That's Amazon worthy.
So this is what he's trying to do. That, yeah. But let's get back to business, which we're done here. We'll come live. We'll come on tomorrow night, same time for live, and just play some games or whatever the case may be. But we'll try to do live every night, but late night for a longer time. Because now I'm off from work. Hit the light, please. Now
Oh,
I'm
crap.
off from
Oh,
work,
look,
so
like this. This light.
so I'll be doing more lives for you guys and prepare for the baby just to take you through. And if I can't sleep at night too, I'm just gonna get up and go on live, just sit here and chit chat for a little bit if I can't sleep because I am really having sleeping issues because turn to the left, turn to the right, turn to the left, turn to the right. No comfort, absolutely none. So yeah, I've been going through that because I only have a short period left before I actually have my baby. It's getting more difficult to walk, to breathe. But yeah, I'm super excited to do this, to be on this journey. It's a